Local food pantry is changing the way people can pick up their food as part of efforts to limit the spread of COVID-19. ABC4's Haley Hendricks tells us how they're still serving their community despite new challenges.
I'm inside Tabitha's Way Food Pantry, where normally people come in to shop, but now no one's allowed inside and pickup is by car only. Volunteers at Tabitha's Way Local Food Pantry are putting groceries in people's cars rather than allowing them to shop for items inside.
It's the first day of us doing social distancing at the food pantry.
By having people stop by in the parking lot for their groceries, co-founder Mike Carter tells ABC4 News the American Fork and Spanish Fork pantry locations are taking precautions as the COVID-19 coronavirus continues to impact the world.
So we want to make sure that our clients are safe. We want to make sure that we're not touching them, that they're within a safe distance from our volunteers that are providing them food.
Locals who are registered at the American Fork Pantry say the drive-through style pickup is a change, but they understand why it's necessary.
Just kind of have to get used to the gloves and just kind of people like not really shaking hands or touching like we're used to. But other than that, it's not that bad.
With the things going on, I feel like it's safe, especially with kids. I prefer stay in my car, and they are always awesome and they always support us.
Bagging food and placing it into go shopping carts, volunteers are working around the clock to help those in their community and could use your help. And while this pantry still has food, there's a concern and a need for more, as resources won't last forever. Reporting in American Fork, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.
Well, if you or someone you know is in need of food, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program encourages you to apply to see if you qualify for SNAP benefits, also known as food stamps.
Right.